Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change profile picture on Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Edge browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one profile icon. In the pop-up menu, click on this one settings gear icon. Under Edge settings, beside profile name, click on this one three dots menu and select here edit option. Now you can select a beautiful image for your profile picture. Here you can also change the name of the profile in case you need. Then click on this one update button. It will immediately change the profile icon in the Edge browser of your Windows 11 or 10 PC.